Okay, so I made the tent dry after cleaning it. I'm gonna put it together. That's strange. missing a missing a bag. I'm missing a bag. Train run all day, all night. Rainbows. A shadow like a bag. I'm able to bring this. Spin it around. Okay, one son is on the way. We are ready to go. Should try to fit the do you want any more water, Max? We're going to use our firewood. Maxine. If it starts starts to rain, we'll go over by the pool waiting area. Well, except the trains that pass all the time, Indian Line was really nice. So if you have children and you want to stay local in the GTA, I think it's extremely close to Etobicoke. It's like pretty central. So Finch and Steel, so that's Mississauga, Toronto, Brampton border. And you can come as simple as I have. I have come in previous years with a trailer, and I've done camping. I started out that way. I've done RV, and I came with my tent. I was hesitant because I was moving up in camping, gear, and I think this was manageable for me. A solar camping trip, and it didn't really involve much. The only thing I would change for a better night's sleep is, instead of the foam tiles, I would invest in the foam fold out bed that Walmart has. It's like under $100, but it's really dense. It's thick. It's not too puffy. It's dense, which means that it would provide, I think, a better cushion between the ground and my body, because I'm not that thin, and I figured that the foam, after a while, even though you're not feeling the sharp bumps, you know that there's like bumps there, but there's still a lot of nature, and all the facility you need if you're doing tenting. There's a pool. I didn't get to use the pool because I was afraid to leave the dog tied up for too long, and there's showers and washroom facilities, so you have what you need. I brought my rice cooker because I had donated my propane stove I had, and I didn't bring my lighter, and so I didn't do my fire through the night. So I am taking the wood back, because I think before the summer I will be doing it again. I'll see if the children want to. They're doing camping with their friends now. They're experts, because we started out showing them cottage and camp life early, so they can pitch a tent and they can live in the wild or on a campsite on their own, no problems. But so the Toronto regional campsites, for $55 with a service spot. A service spot means that you get electric and you get water at your site. It's $55, and I think if you add $4 more, you can have a spot with sewer, and that's really if you have a trailer, an RV where you need the sewer hookup, right, for your toilet. If you don't need that, then you are good to go with just the electric and the water, and that worked out perfect for me. The next challenge, I keep on discovering them, is my extension that I brought was too short. So because it was too short, I was unable to use my fan that I brought. So that was a bummer. I didn't get to use the fan. However, uh, yesterday what I did is I stayed in the tent as late as I could, and I didn't do a hot breakfast. I did cold breakfast, oatmeal, and oatmeal, honey, and water. So I didn't really need to cook and get hot. And then I stayed in the shaded area. I moved my bench under a tree, and since my tent was on that flat surface which is not shaded, I stayed out of it until the sun passed, and it worked. The night was comfortable, you know. There are bugs. I also had left my bug spray, but I didn't have any biting issue, just, you know, small flies that just pitch all over the place. Anyways, once, you know, the night falls, everybody turns or lights up their fireplace. So even though I never had one, the smoke protected me from mosquitoes or whatever. Look at this train. It's the same train, and it's been at least 10 minutes. Yeah, so that's a bit annoying. You see, I think the next time I come, even if I have to rent one until I buy my own, I will have to get a trailer or an RV, something where I can truly drown the noise out. Because as much as how I did have a good sleep, I think it could have been better if the train didn't pass as many times. However, don't let that deter you. The cool thing about the regional campsites, in addition to, oh yeah, when you pay your fee for the overnight stay or whatever, you know, you can do monthly or you can do the whole season. It covers 2 adults and 4 children, and parking 1 car. So that's pretty awesome. And if you need additional guests to be on your site, I believe you pay an additional between $8 and $10. I need to double check that part. And they do allow individuals to use the pool for the day, so you can come and just be on site using the pool, and then you leave. And I think that's about the $8 to $10 as well per person. So, you know, you can get away somewhere different with your children and not have to spend too much. You can just, you know, pack a lunch, you know, and have that stored in your car, and when you need breaks, you just come to the car, get a drink or a snack, and still have some quality family time. I'll never stop camping. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy that I got into Girl Guides when I got here and gained my first set of experience doing this. In fact, before Girl Guides, I did go on a camping trip with my high school gym class. We went to McRae Lake. Lord, the flies there was just black flies. It was terrible. But that was my first. And immediately after, Girl Guides, and that was awesome. Every season we went camping. We camped in the summer. We went to Muskoka. We went to winter camp. Yes, a Jamaican winter camping. wearing snowshoes because the snow was that high. We weren't outside. We were outside for activities, but we were in cabins for sleep time. So, yeah, getting a taste of that experience early was good, you know. So, give it a try. And I will try to do another video showing you my start to finish in more detail. So until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.